Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech. Today we'll be reviewing this 30-second automated 360 toothbrush. So I bought this toothbrush from eBay and I paid $11.96 for it. Now I know it's very cheap because you'll probably find a decent manual toothbrush at the drugstore for the same price. I've seen those go on Shopify websites for anywhere from like $75 to $100, so I think I struck a good deal. And I definitely want to see how it fares. So without further ado, let's go forward with the unboxing. Now that the toothbrush is opened and all over the place, let's see what's inside. So we have our box, instructions here. We have a charger that seems to be wireless in the sense that you don't need to actually plug in something in the toothbrush. And the pièce de résistance. Now let's hope I don't catch the coronavirus from this here. Charging ports. The charging electrodes, I guess, are gonna sit on the charger here. Fantastic. It definitely doesn't seem like you can replace the top part of it, which would mean that everyone in your household will need to buy one of the toothbrushes. But I mean, at 11 bucks, that's not a big deal. It does smell really bad too. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go wash the toothbrush first of all. So now that the toothbrush is pretty clean, I disinfected it the best I could. I'm gonna read the instructions. The toothbrush seems to be doing a full clean cycle of your mouth in 30 to 45 seconds. It has 4 different functions. Number 1 is the deep cleansing. Number 2 is mid-frequency. Number 3 is a high-frequency massage, and I'm sure you can hear that. And number 4 is a teeth whitening process with the cool light, they call it. I'll go on with the low-speed massage, and I'll put in a little bit of toothpaste. They do have some special toothpaste that you can buy, but they say that the normal kind of toothpaste will also work. It seems sufficient. Okay, so the other side. Just little dots here and there. Great! Let's stick it in my mouth.
That's what he said.
I had to rinse the toothbrush quite a bit to get all the toothpaste out of there. Now I think I put in a lot of excess toothpaste, but other than that, I'm just trying to get a feel of my teeth right now, how clean they are. And I would say it does a decent job. Probably not as good as the high-end Oral-B or Philips toothbrush you could buy for a few $100s. So if you're gonna pay like $100 for this toothbrush, I would definitely tell you not to. But if you're gonna pay just 10 or 15 bucks for this gadget, I think it does compare to the regular drugstore toothbrushes that you can buy. For this reason, I'm gonna give the 360 automatic toothbrush a pass. And it's gonna go straight to the Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Take care.